purchased and tried 10 conditioners so you don't have to. Let's see if these 10 conditioners are worth your coin and your curl. Not sponsored. So I don't know about you, but in my house, we use conditioner way more than we use shampoo. In fact, we often have various bottles of conditioner compared to shampoo. With that being said, in today's video, we're gonna cover 10 different shampoos that I've tried to let you know maybe they were a hit, maybe they were miss, maybe we didn't buy them, maybe we bought them again, maybe everybody in the house uses them, maybe everybody in the house thinks it's shit. Or maybe just me. That could be true too. That brings me to our first product on today's list. Garnier Whole Blends Smoothing Conditioner. Coconut. She's pretty thick, but she just doesn't absorb well. I just don't get it. She doesn't absorb well. Now, as much as I want to love this product, like everybody else in my house seems to, it didn't do anything for me. Like nothing. My hair, while it tends to suck up some products and not others, this is one of the not others that it did not suck up. This product sat on my hair and did absolutely nothing. In fact, my hair felt just as dry with this on as it did with my hair completely and totally dry outside of the shower. But according to my sons, this is a winner, a big win. Smells great, functions great, does the job, gets their hair nice and hydrated, moisturizes, and makes their curls bounce. But I've seen them come down the stairs after using it, and I think that's really just the motion of them moving down the stairs. Smell-wise, it smells like every coconut product does. Coconutty. For the price, it's actually going to give you what you're asking for. Maybe not a whole lot, maybe a whole lot. I guess it depends on who you're asking and what their expectations are from the product. Ask a teenager, not very much. Ask me, not very much. Another family favorite on the list, it's actually one that's used not just by my kids, but also by the elders in the family. That's right, the moms and grandmoms use this one. Cream of Nature Argan Oil of Morocco. We love this product. It functions perfectly in what seems to be various types of hair. So my mom and her type 1, straight down to my son and his type 4, we are all using this product and enjoying it in various ways. Now the product line does come with a co-wash, which we do also find great enjoyment in using. I talked about that in my shampoos video, which I'll link up above for you. The Cream of Nature products are quite reliable. They have a fantastic smell and they function perfectly well above their price point. So if you're looking for something that functions at a high level and gets the job done, Cream of Nature conditioner, it's it, y'all. Give it a shot. It definitely leaves my hair feeling hydrated and conditioned. It detangles well, has a very, very high level of slip, combs through nice and easy. Or if you use a detangler brush, it works with those as well. It does rinse out very clean, so you don't have any like feeling of residue left behind. So really, really good if you're interested in giving the Cream of Nature Argan Oil of Morocco conditioner a try. Another product that I don't have to talk about, but I do have a lot of experience in using is the Olaplex conditioners. I've actually used all of the Olaplex products as it pertains to bonding and strengthening my hair because, as you've seen in several videos, I do enjoy wearing my hair straight, like a lot, because you can't really tell that I'm doing a transition with all the different textures, right? So I just straighten it and I move on. With that said, Olaplex products do handle bonding and helping me get my hair to straight, but they can be quite costly, so I don't re-buy Olaplex all the time. But the conditioner definitely does really good at rehydrating my hair and making my hair feel ready for the heat styling that's coming up. So, good at repairing. It does what it says. It makes my hair feel strong, ready for that heat styling that's coming up. My hair doesn't break off as much when I use Olaplex for that heat styling process. So for my curly girls who love to straighten their hair, maybe you're trying to do that silk press, honey, try it with Olaplex. You might find that your hair does not break off as much. But like I said, it is quite pricey. And if you're not looking to spend that kind of money, you could try Drawn Frida, which I'll be talking about in an upcoming video. Stay tuned for that. Okay, another tried and true amongst the curly girl community, Shea Moisture Intense Hydration Conditioner. I liked it, but it's so heavy. Now it does have this little awesome little I guess you could call it a disclaimer, extreme moisture for type 4 hair. So I probably didn't need to use this because it was extremely hydrating, extremely moisturizing, and extremely heavy for my curls, but it gets the job done. It did leave behind some kind of residual feeling. This is definitely a product that's just gonna be in my closet for quite a while because I'm not going to use it every single wash day. It's really hydrating. It's really intense. Obviously, it says intensive, and it was definitely doing that. When I was washing my hair or utilizing this product line, my fingers were so wrinkly the entire time. Like, it was insane. I want to say my hands felt numb after a while. It was so intensely hydrating. So it's definitely doing what it says it's going to do. If you have a type 1, type 2 hair, you might want to reconsider using this because it's going to be so heavy. And you knew I was going to do it. The Redken All Soft Mega Curls. I love this. I've been using this. It's a go-to. I keep it on deck. It's just a little bit more on the pricey side, so I don't buy it every single wash day, and I don't use it every single wash day either because, I mean, I'm trying to preserve the product. It has had my curls bounce back real time, like watch it happen on camera from straight to curly. She's going beautifully. I think it's the whole pH level thing. It's got the 7% pH balance thing so that it promises that damage repair for severely dry curls and coils, like all that goodness and nourishment for that hair. And I think maybe that's what it is. But for the price, it's definitely worth it for me. You guys might disagree. Your hair type might find this to be a little bit too heavy, but if that is the case, try the Redken All Soft, just period, not Mega Curls. The Mega Curl one is heavier for your hair type. So if you are like a curl type 1, type 2, you might find more joy in using the regular Redken All Soft. But Curly Girls Delight, the Redken All Soft Mega Curls is totally awesome. For the price, it's worth it. It functions really good. You could use it every single wash day, but your girl right here, she broke. She can't afford to do that. She's not using this every single wash day. No, she's not. Kerastase has made the list. So I'm more willing to splurge on conditioners than I am on shampoos. With that being said, this is the Kerastase Genesis conditioner. Now, this is actually what's in my hair right now. Conditioning my hair with this, it was really great, very luxurious in feel when you apply it to your hair. It didn't have much of slip, which is really, really important for me, especially in trying to maintain length and maintain strands, volume, density, all of that good stuff. So for me, it did coat my strands. It did make my hair feel like it was getting conditioned and hydrated, and it didn't like rip out my hair when I was combing through. The comb passed through nice, but it wasn't as nice as it could have been for the price point. The smell is good, definitely worth it for the price point, but I don't buy my products just for the smell. I buy them for the functionality. So you could probably do a little bit better if you're not willing to spend the coin on the Kerastase. Inner Sense I've talked a lot about in the past. It is a product that we have been using in the house. I particularly don't use it anymore. This is the conditioner. My mom uses this now. She's got like a curl type 1, type 2 to be kind. So as a curly girl, type 3, type 4, these products don't really do anything. It's almost like a leave. I could almost use this daily conditioner as a leave-in, and I really don't like leave-in conditioner, so I don't use it as that either. So despite the fact that this conditioner looks so deceivingly thick, when you put it on your hair, it's actually quite thin. It's a very, very lightweight product. It was so lightweight on my hair, I can't really say that it was doing anything. However, my mom notes that her hair definitely does feel moisturized, and it does feel like it has some slip for her. And she's noticed that her hair, the moisture level does last for days after her wash. Her hair doesn't dry out immediately because my mom does not wash her hair every day. She washes it like every 2-3 days. So this seems to be giving her the 2-3 days worth of results that she seeks. So if you're a curly girl with that can get away with washing your hair every couple days, you might find great joy and delight in using the Inner Sense Pure Inspiration Daily Conditioner for your curls. Enter Pantene. This is the Pantene Essential Botanicals Moisturizing Conditioner. I love this stuff. The smell is super lingering, like to the gym and beyond, super lingering. If you've not tried this conditioner, you are missing out. Between the Moroccan Rose and the Manuka Honey, she's got luxury ingredients in there, girl. Luxury ingredients in this regular, everyday, you can find me at Walmart product, and I love that. Highly functional, sulfate-free, made for curly girls, coily girls, and kinky girls. Delight in this product. A little goes a long way, but because I have so many curls and I love to overdo everything, I still use a lot. This conditioner is super duper thick. Like when you pump this, look out, she thick. Very, very thick, this conditioner. So Pantene did it with this one. They came for the curly girls to support us on this. This conditioner, when I was using it, my fingers were wrinkling, like immediately wrinkling. So it smells so good. It has this really like strong perfume smell. I love it. You guys would really, really love this conditioner. This conditioner has an amazing amount of slip. Like if you like to pull your conditioner through with your fingers or use your detangling comb or your detangling brush, this conditioner had no problem. I didn't have a whole lot of fallout or even like a whole lot of hair loss in the brush or in my comb. Everything went smoothly and it rinsed out cleanly, no leftover product residue. And my hair, the frizz that I did not get from allowing my hair to air dry with that product was top notch. So curly girls, if you're looking for a functional, affordable product that you can run to your Walmart right now and grab and get your hair and your frizz tamed, Pantene's got you. And my tried and true So it definitely has a feeling like it coats, but it also feels like it washes clean. So you can actually feel this product going onto and over each hair strand, which I like. I like the feeling of my conditioner conditionering. And we definitely do splurge on conditioner. Why? Because conditioner is worth it. Of course. Well, it's been real, it's been fun, it's been real fun. Today's video featuring 10 conditioners that I've used has been amazingly informative. I hope this video helps you find a conditioner that's gonna help hydrate your curls or repair those damaged strands. Either way, one of these conditioners has got to be for you, because man, oh man, I tried enough so that you don't have to. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can find out when I upload another video. Alrighty, I guess I'm off to clean up now. See you in the next one. Bye.